Welcome to the Marco hosted voice Yealink T57W series phone overview. Let's begin by first going over the different buttons, and then we will move on to show you the different features and functions of the phone. Let's review the Yealink buttons. On the left and the right hand side, there are different buttons that can be configured for your line keys, park keys, or even speed dial buttons. On the bottom, we have our soft keys that will change based on whether we're in an active call or not. Here we have our mute button, our headset button, the call history button, and our speaker mode. We've got our standard dialing keys, and on the left we have our hold button, transfer, voicemail, and the volume key. The volume key will adjust your ringtone volume when not in an active call, and while in an active call, it adjusts that volume there. To turn on Wi-Fi on this phone, tap the menu key and select Basic. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Wi-Fi and tap the button for On. Down at the bottom, you will see the different available networks. Tap your own network and use the full keyboard to enter in the password. Use the up arrow to change to capital letters. Tap it again to go back to lowercase. Tap this to do symbols and numbers. So once your password is entered, press the enter button there and you'll see that it's connecting. If it connects successfully, you'll see that success message right there. Tap the back button to go back to your home screen, and here you'll see that the Wi-Fi is now blue. To place a call with the phone, pick up the handset or press the speaker button and dial the extension or 10-digit number using the touchscreen or the standard keys. You may also press the home button and select any speed dial buttons you have configured. To mute a call while on an active call, press the mute button. When the call is muted, the light will show red and you'll show mute on your screen. To unmute, press the mute button again and you're now back in your phone call. If you need to hold a call, press the hold soft key and then resume to pick that call back up. You may also use the hold key down here. To park a call, select the park option that you want to put the call on and it will light up red showing that there is a call on that park line. To pick that call back up, press the park button and it will resume that call. To transfer a phone call while on an active call, there will be a transfer soft key. Press transfer and you can dial the extension or 10-digit number you wish to transfer to, choose the directory, or choose something from call history. You may also select more, and that will bring up every one of your speed dial keys. So here we can transfer to Justin. That call is now transferred over to that other user. To forward your calls, tap the menu soft key and select Features. Select Always Forward and tap the radio button for On. In the Forward To box, enter in the extension or the 10-digit number you wish to forward to, and tap Next until it saves. Back on the home screen, you'll see that your calls are always forwarded. You can turn the forward off by pressing Close Forward, or by going back into the menu, Features, Always Forward, and toggle Off, and select Save. To start a conference call, while on an active call, press the Conference soft key. Enter in the extension that you wish to loop in or the 10-digit number and select Conference. It will ring that person. Now press Conference again and both parties are on the line. You can hold the call, you can split the call, or you can conference in another party. To listen to your voicemail, pick up the handset or press the speaker button and then press the message key. This will dial your voicemail and you'll enter in your PIN and it will allow you to listen to your messages. To manage your call history, press the history button and tap on missed calls, placed, received, or forwarded to see all calls in the list. To manage your contact directory, tap the directory soft key and select all contacts, and you can add, tap in the name box and use the keypad to enter in the person's name, tap down to office number and mobile number to enter in the different corresponding numbers. At the bottom, we'll click Save. Thank you for tuning in. Visit Marco's YouTube page for more helpful Yealink how-to videos.